Let's create our first web application project. Here is the course folder we have already created, and each project we are going to create in this course should have its own physical folder. So let's create a new folder. Let's name it as introduction, intro, and then open a PowerShell within this intro folder. So let's get into the intro folder. From the address bar or file path, type PowerShell to launch a PowerShell within the folder. As you can see, the PowerShell is launched inside the intro folder. There, let's issue command the Firebase init there. Then are you sure to proceed? Type yes. And then what features you are going to set up in this directory, and we are going to use two of those ones. Using the arrow keys, you can go down arrow, and then first one we are going to choose is a hosting, not app hosting. So be sure to choose a hosting one. To select that, press spacebar, or if you selected the app hosting accidentally, press spacebar again. It's a deselect. So hosting, and the second one is emulators. So press spacebar to select. So we choose those two features in this directory. Press enter to move to the next one. And then choose a project. This is a Firebase project. We have created a Firebase project in the previous video, so we are going to select that. So press enter, and then it will show you all of the Firebase project in your Firebase account. I have several, but in your case, if you're using Firebase first time, you will see the only one you have created. So choose the one you have created and press enter key. Then several prompts are there. First, do you want to use public as a public directory? Press enter. And then configure single page app. By default, this is no, but make sure that you choose a yes. This is a very important. All of the other options, you can choose default one, but this one you need to override the default and choose yes. Press enter, and then automatic is no, so press enter. And then emulator setup. We are going to set up emulator for hosting emulator, not app hosting. So make sure that app hosting is not the one we use, just the hosting only is the one. And the press enter key. And then you want to use hosting emulator, press enter. And the UI, press enter. And then use the UI, press enter. You want to download, press enter, which is yes. Then everything is done. It's initialized. If I do ls, these are folders and the files created. So these are the template we need to develop web application for Firebase cloud services.